Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. As you can see, the audio quality there was not good. There were several issues that day when I recorded this. So please enjoy, ignore the flaws, and get the idea of what's been accomplished and what needs to be accomplished on Buena Ventura. Please watch. Thank you. Okay. This is end of summer 2019 wrap-up or update. Okay. Happy day. End of summer. Tourists are gone. Construction zone getting worse. Actually, I have my sewing machine here now to do side curtains and other things on the boat. Went to sew something today and realized I left a foot back at the house. Down there, the video will show up sometime. The water supply is working, changed the water filter today, but I also found out that I have the leak. Remember Surprise in the Bilge? I'll put a link up above, but Surprise in the Bilge is a line is off down by the water heater way beyond what I can gather. Over there, supply of bilge pumps, sewing filters, trying to remember why I saved that big box, but it's going out today. The improvements, one, Gail is very comfy down here. The other improvement is I finally have good sound, decent sound, actually pretty good sound to go with my movie nights, and during the day I can get my hotspot going and listen to tunes. Onkyo, this is the second Onkyo I have, and I like the things. Galley wise, dishwasher died. It is no longer viable. I have to replace it. So I've got to budget in $600 for that. Induction plates are working great. Refrigerator, freezer unit is struggling but still holding in. Microwave, right now it stores chips and pretzels, but I think I've identified 2 screws back in the back that have to come out, and somehow it comes off that way, but I need strong people to help hold that monster. If you know better on how to remove it, let me know. Kitchen supplies good. I'm enjoying life on board. You know, we do what we have to do, which is eat well. Back in here, the last Hurricane Dorian provided rain, which got through and filled my jugs. Gail's eating well. Again, up here, I have to replace or fix that motor, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do it. Forward, the Surprise in the Bilge is solved. I've got more parts and things up here. There's Sailrite stuff. Again, this is storage. I'm slowly moving things away. Washer and dryer work. In fact, washer and dryer worked today. Did some laundry. Over there, I'm still needing to get back there and install AC outlets along, using that the light fixture there will provide an AC outlet, and one over there. Forward shower works. Aft, the electric panel's been rewired. Aft, Wanted to sew the curtains, but could not. Missing the foot. This shower, I've got to come up with a way to keep the shower door open to let it air and dry. Shower works. Shower sump pump underneath there does not work. Water leak. It's pretty much isolated up here. It's not storing water like it used to, so my borax treatment is done down there, but up here I've got to work on it. This AC unit, the motor died. It's up there. And so got to, I think I have to take and cut out this to get to that motor. There's no way to get it from underneath. Going to the sun deck. Got the measurements now for side curtains here. The port and starboard side curtains, the panels. I've got the awning slide up here, snaps here, so these will be easier to do. Back here, track is broken off, door is broken. Got things to do to fix that. Again, here's oil supplies, teak out of the dumpster. That I'm going to use to make shelving either on this boat or my other boat. Fly bridge. I'm applying teak coating to these to the wood now. Teak oil, I mean. Here, things are finally dry. I have to run the throttle cable up here. And hook. See how that is? See how that isn't? So, whatever that is, I need to get something like that for here. And then I will be good to go. Oh no. That is my daughter. Of course the guy shouldn't do that. It makes a mess. There's nothing over there. So throttle cable, and the real reality is with the throttle cable in there, this boat can go out on the water. Isn't that exciting? I think it's downright exciting. And I looked it up. This Cybernet CTX 5000, state of the art in 1983. VHF, monitors dual channel, fluorescent display, not digital, fluorescent. They put an ICOM up there, or horizon up there. So both of those will be ripped out once I get up to the radio section. GPS mapper is ancient. Radar is 90 something, 99. Overall, I'm going to shrink wrap her again unless I do the top. But I'm still thinking shrink wrap may be my best way to go this year again. And look back, pirate ship! And Lodge Creek. Beautiful sunny day. And I'm not sure what these posts are. They're a cradle for something, but it may not be what I think it was. I thought it was for a rib. It might be for offshore emergency flotation. I got somebody doing some dives off the boat there. Okay, water line in, of course. Teak experiment. My emblem is soaking it up. Stairs are showing good. Now this is starting to look nice. You can see all the pigment floating now up to the surface. This boat was tied off from Hurricane Dorian, which is nice, except that makes it a pain trying to get around up here on this finger pier. And you can see that's still a mess. That's a mess, but this stuff is just coming along. For the summer, it was too hot to be outside most of the summer, so we got small things done inside, which is good. Gail wants out, and she can't come out yet. And been removing those that are coming off. Had many suggestions. I appreciate the suggestions, but truth is, those things are embedded in the gel coat. I thought this was doubled. Am I missing a one? Up here, still have to hit that stuff again and give her a good wash in a week or two. Maybe another power wash, get another layer off, get down closer to paint. Again, I am not close to the actual gel coat, except down in the lettering down there. I'm really happy with her. She's become a boat. She's become more than just dock clean. She's not even a challenge now that all it takes is a throttle cable and I can take her out. My issue is going to be finding someone who's willing to teach me how to drive one of these big girls. But that shouldn't be too bad. I mean, people do love to go out, so I think that'll be fun. I'll just add a little bit more as things go along today, and when I edit this, I'll add more things in so you can catch more of what's happening in this. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life summer update. I've enjoyed doing this tour. I'm sorry about the video, the audio, and everything else that went wrong with it, but that's typical. We live with that. And please click subscribe and like, and thank you for watching.